Hello, good morning, students. Myself, S. Pritpal Singh, will be teaching you the first time Moral Science, chapter 1, 2, and 3, and 4 already taught by a ma'am. Now, chapter 5 will be omitted from your syllabus of Moral Science. Now, today I am going to teach you the sixth lesson, being ready for the struggle. Before that, let me tell you that the chapter 4 explanation was over, and the notes of chapter 4 and chapter 6 together I will be sending you after teaching the chapter 6. So let us start chapter 6, being ready for the struggle. Being ready for the struggle means हम अपने जीवन में जितने भी कठिनाइयाँ आने वाली हैं उनके लिए तैयार रहें. दैट इज़ द मीनिंग, बीइंग रेडी फॉर द स्ट्रगल. Abraham Lincoln is one of the most successful men in the history. One personality, that is the Abraham Lincoln, is the most successful person. We all know that he is a very successful person in the history. But earlier he was a very poor man, but rose to the status of the President of America. Earlier he was a very poor man, बहुत गरीब व्यक्ति था, लेकिन due to his struggles in the life, he became the President of America by his hard working. His life was laden with difficulties and hardship. His life was full of difficulties and he worked very hard. He faced the difficulties and made a challenge that he will overcome his difficulties and he will stood to a good person. It provides. Lincoln was a lawyer by profession. He was a lawyer, that is a वकील था वो. It was through determination and hard work that he struggled through all odds and becomes a lawyer. That was his hard work and all the difficulties in life he faced, worked hard, struggled a lot, all the odds and the favors, and then at last he became a lawyer. He tried to be a member of the legislature of his country. He tried to become, he was the member of the legislature, but he failed. After this, he tried to enter business. After failing in the member of legislature, he tried to enter some other business, but there also he failed. He incurred terrible loss in his business endeavor. He was a great loss when he entered to the business. A particular person, that is the Abraham Lincoln, he entered a business. He was in great loss. For 17 years, he struggled to pay his debts to his business partner. He started a business with his business partner, but what loss he had got, due to that loss, he paid 17 years, whatever the उधार था या ऋण था, whatever he amount he paid to his business partner. He was engaged to a young lady who died before they could marry. He was engaged with a young lady who died before they could marry. So he married another woman. His marriage was a failure and his wife proved to be a burden to him. So first he was engaged with one woman, but before he married, she died. So he married to the another woman, but that was also a great burden for him. He tried his luck at politics once again. Once again, when he failed in the business, he tried once again to try the luck in politics. He stood for election and was badly defeated. चुनाव में वो खड़ा हुआ लेकिन वो फिर हार गया. Then he tried to get a posting at the land office of his country but was rejected. Then he tried to get a posting, get a service in the land office, at the land office of his country, but he was rejected there also. There also he was a failure. He failed in business, he failed in election, he failed at the posting of the land office. Lincoln was not a man who gave up his hope. After getting failure in 3 cases, he going on trying for another, but he is not a person that he should give up. He was a person of great perseverance and strong willpower. He was a person to face all type of difficulties, and he is having a strong willpower that he accept the challenge and he will do it. That was his willpower. He kept on struggling and finally he was elected a president of America. Life is hard reality. Daily several difficulties and problems comes our way. Our success in life depends upon how we face the challenge. In our life also, many of the difficulties come across while doing any work, but we should keep patience and we should go on trying to complete that particular work. Don't get depressed. Life is a full of success and failure. Sometimes if we get failure, we must not get depressed and avoid that work doing, but we should go on trying, and at last we will accept the challenges. We must accept the challenges, and at last we will recover it. It requires endurance, constant practice and hard work to overcome all the challenges of life. Many sacrifices are also required to achieve success. कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हमें बहुत कुछ चीज़ सेक्रीफाइस करना पड़ता है, हमें कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना भी पड़ता है. दैट इज़ एक हिंदी में मुहावरा है कि कुछ पाने के लिए हमें कुछ खोना भी पड़ता है. Strong willpower combined with an unfailing hope can convert even failures into success. Life is a continuous struggle. Our life is full of struggles, success, failures, everything. Man has to struggle against man. One person has to struggle with another person, against his surroundings, उसके आसपास का वातावरण, and against his bodily inclinations. Sometimes we are not feeling well also when we are getting success, when we are doing some work. At that time our body is not favoring us. Sometimes we are feeling ill. Physical illness, mental disorders, emotional disturbances, ideological differences and religious tensions adversely affect human life. So some of the effectiveness of the human life are, कभी कभी हम बीमार पड़ जाते हैं, इमोशनली डिस्टर्बेंस हो जाते हैं, आइडियोलॉजिकल डिफरेंस, सम सोशल और रिलीजियस टेंशन्स आर देयर इन आवर लाइफ, anxieties and fears keeps troubling man all through life. Sometimes life appears to be a cruel joke. कभी कभी हमें अपने आप पे गुस्सा भी आ जाता है. As soon as the trouble is over, another one begins. When we are doing any particular work, sometimes one trouble comes. If we are overcoming that particular trouble, at once the next trouble is ready to come in our life. Man's inhuman treatment of man creates evils like poverty, garibi, unemployment, berojgari and certain type of diseases. Nature then contributes its shares of calamities in the form of earthquakes, cyclones, droughts, and floods. In the face of all these troubles, man cannot afford to give up hope and be inactive. Rather, we are having a lot of problems in our life. After one difficulty is overcome, we are facing the another difficulty, then the third difficulties, but we should not give up. And sometimes we are having the nature difficulties, sometimes earthquakes, cyclones, droughts, and floods. In such type of troubles also, we should not give up and we should be active in our life. We must struggle with that. He has to struggle and win. One has to struggle with all types of these troubles and difficulties and do the hard work, and we have to win. In fact, the whole of human history is the story of man's struggle. In fact, in all human life, in all people, human beings' life, there is a lot of struggles and they have to overcome with it with their hard works. From this struggle of man emerges a mixture of joys and sorrows. When we are struggling a lot and at last we are getting a success, we feel a joy. हमें खुशी होती है, और कभी कभी हमें सक्सेस नहीं मिलती है तो हमें दुख भी होता है. प्लेजर एंड पेन आर टू साइड्स ऑफ द सेम कॉइन ऑफ लाइफ. खुशी और दुख हमारा एक सिक्के के दो पहलू हैं. प्लेजर एंड पेन आर टू साइड्स ऑफ द सेम कॉइन ऑफ लाइफ. एक वन डे वी आर हैविंग joy and another day maybe it will be a complete sorrow. On the one hand, man has to face a host of evils like death, disease, suffering, pain, sorrow, wickedness, and envy, that is the jealous. On the other hand, these dark clouds of life are sprinkled with silver linings of love, hope, happiness, and peace. Rather, we are having a lot of problems. Sometimes we are not feeling well. Death is also there, disease is there, sufferings are there, pain, sorrow, wickedness, some jealous of you. Some people will be jealous of you. But on the other hand, there are some shining silver linings of love. There is some happiness also. There is some hope also. And peace, shanti bhi hai. Everything that has a beginning has also an end. All of you know that whatever work we are starting, that work will have a end also. It means that everything, हर कार्य में शुरुआत भी है और एंड भी है, ख़त्म भी होता है. बर्थ इम्प्लाइज डेथ टू. अगर कोई इफ एनी पर्सन टेक्स बर्थ, naturally he will end with his death. Disease, decay and death are the part and parcel of our life. बीमारी आना, joy, sorrow, death, they are some simple parcels of the our life, part and parcel of our life. We must therefore learn to endure such evils. Therefore, one person in his life, उसे ये सब तकलीफ़ें, डिफ़िकल्टीज़, इन्हें सहने की आदत होनी चाहिए. सफरिंग एंड पेन आर ग्रेट टीचर्स, टफ एज दे मे अपीयर. दे एजुकेट इन द आर्ट ऑफ फेथ एंड एंड्योरेंस. वॉट एवर द सफरिंग्स वी आर कमिंग अक्रॉस आवर लाइफ, दे आर आवर ग्रेट टीचर्स. दे टीचेस अस how to face the problem, how to struggle in our life, and how to overcome it, how to get rid of it. It is the midst of troubles that man learns to raise himself in prayer towards God. Sometimes we pray our God to get rid of our troubles. It is such hard times that make a person become tough and enduring. It is a very tough, hard time to get a person become a tough और उसे सहने की ताकत उसे होनी चाहिए उसके पास। Adversity disciplines man's mind, heart, and body. Suffering and pains purifies man, makes him fit to receive the soft drops of God's mercy. If we are not having any type of sufferings and pains, we will not work hard. Suffering and pain purifies the man and makes him fit to receive the soft drops of the God's mercy. We must not grumble when sorrows and hardships comes our ways. Whenever we are starting any work, and if we are not able to finish our work, some difficulties are coming across us, we must not grumble at that time. हमें चिड़चिड़ापन बड़बड़ाना नहीं चाहिए. We must not grumble, but politely we must think how to complete that work without any mistake, and we must work hard anyhow to get the work to be completed. We must accept them as God given gifts. Whatever the difficulties we are coming across our work, we must think that is our God given gifts. So we should not be disappointed at that time. They should be endured gracefully, just as pleasures and happiness are enjoyed. The difficulties must also be enjoyed as we are enjoying our pleasures and happiness. It is through our suffering that God purifies our souls and gives us the strength of faith and hope. It is God only that purifies, हमारी आत्मा को प्यूरिफाई करता है एंड हमें शक्ति देता है, हमें साहस देता है, हमें विश्वास देता है, और we are having a complete hope. He gives us a complete hope, complete hard work. With a complete hard work, we can overcome any type of difficulties in our life. So we must be ready for the struggles, whatever we come across in our life. We must not get disappointed by getting the struggles in our life and leaving it at the side. We must face the struggles in our life and try to overcome it and try to achieve our goal as soon as possible. Thank you. In the next class, I will be sending you the notes, few of the fill-ups and meanings, true false, and exercise questions. So hope that you all might have followed my first period of teaching of moral science. Thank you, my dear students.